Hello and welcome to this tutorial series. My name is Wafula Wanyama, or you can call me Ghost. I'm going to take you through this Bootstrap for beginners, and the version of Bootstrap that we're going to use is Bootstrap 5. We're going to learn all the way from what containers are, then we move to what is typography and how we can handle different types of typography classes, and what Bootstrap offers us to handle heading classes, display classes, and also how to highlight lead paragraphs, etc. From there, we're going to learn about how to handle display, that's if you need to hide something or display it, and also how to handle inline elements and block elements. On top of that, we're going to learn also about how to position things in a relative manner and absolute manner. Give an example of you having a box and then positioning the text in it. We are going to learn about background colors and text colors and how you are able to apply both of them to your HTML element. We will be able to speak about spacing, what we mean by margin and padding, and also how to stack elements. Then afterwards, we will be able to understand sizing, borders and shadows, because we need to understand how to use Bootstrap with classes, where you can be able to just use a class and it applies the appropriate width. All the way, we will be getting different types of information, including things like Flexbox and understanding how a Flexbox works, justifying Flexbox contents, and how to also know how floating works in Css Utilities and how different it is from Flexboxes. Lastly, we will be able to pass through items like dropdowns in our nav items, and also dropdowns from a button generally, and then move towards also understanding what an accordion is and the importance of accordions in handling a lot of data. We will pass through models and carousels, because carousels are the items that beautify the homepage of every web application. That's it for this tutorial series, and I hope you'll be able to maintain your patience and practice a lot to the end. See you at the end. Bye bye.